Hi there, Gokarns. Here we have come far, far away from the capital city and everything that you see all around you into Canacona, a place about 72 kilometers away, approximately about 72 to 75 kilometers away from Panjim. This area that we are standing in over here is known as the New Conquest, because this was taken over by the Portuguese much after they came here in 1510, around 1788, very long time later. And this place is accessible down into the south over the Karmal Ghat. And why have we come here? Lovely place, beautifully green place. I think most of you Gokarns have not come over here. My Goem is traveling all the way to bring you here, to show you our treasure in nature, and the other reason why we have come for. And here is placed the seat of Hindu power, the Partagal Mutt, or the Gokarn Partagal Mutt. And to see this, let's walk down and see the Partagal Mutt. Here I am, on a swing of a banyan tree. Konkani, we call it Vadache Zad. And why I am sitting here, why I am swinging here, is because I am in Partagal at one of the oldest banyan trees that are here. This tree that we see over here is 1,000 years old. Let me see it from close by. This tree that we see over here behind me, this tree is supposedly about 1,000 years old. Now you all know that the banyan tree just does not grow on its own like a single tree. It has got these different vines that we have got, and they come down from top, anchor down into the ground, and there goes another tree. And the whole area that we see around here, you can see that this banyan tree is spreading itself. I can see a coconut kept over here, and this could have been the original place of the original tree, but you can't put your finger and say that this is the place, because you can see that the tree is going far. It's really going far. Ladies and gentlemen, this is one tree that you always find in front of the temples. Now, why did our ancestors decide on this tree to be in front of the temple? There should have been a reason, because our ancestors were hardly wrong. Maybe in today's time they are, but at the time that they were there and they gave thought to it, they were not wrong. The reason why they have put this tree with the intention that we can save this tree for posterity, ladies and gentlemen, this is the one of the tree that breathes out oxygen at night. During daytime, the oxygen level is very high. So, if you are there in the city and you have got a befuddled mind, come to these places. Sit under a banyan tree. Take deep breaths. Do pranayam and you will not believe it. You will feel fresh because you will be breathing in, like I am breathing in right now, the fresh air of Partagal from under this banyan tree, which is supposedly 1,000 years old. I am leaving you to see this. It's amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, we are getting all these things to you through our team, through our cameraman, to Prudent. My Goem is getting all these things to you with one intention, not to just sit down in your bedrooms or your sitting rooms and see this program. Please come out. Goa is much beautiful first hand. See? Yeah? First hand, it's very good. You will learn a lot of things. The people are amazingly hospitable. So wherever you are there in the world, if you are watching this program and your itinerary has got Goa on it, please take time off, watch this program and come along and see this beautiful place. So, doing the research, a little bit of research, reading a few books, you can see a lot of things in Goa. And in my case, I happen to lay my hands on this book called as Pangyashram, written by Sri Vasudev Sardessai. Now this gentleman has given a beautiful write-up about this whole village called as Konkani, and there in one of the chapters he mentions that this particular Mutt was established way back in possibly 1638 to 1635, because that was the tenure of Sri Ramchandra Tirth Wader Swami Maharaj, the Swami of the Gaud Saraswats at Gokarn. Now Gokarn is a idols. So when those 3 idols became very heavy, they stopped at the bank of the river Kushavati. Now behind me you can see the river Kushavati. We are in the summer season now. It has dried up, but in the rains, wherever I am standing right up to here, you find that the whole river gets filled up. This was the place, like I said, that the Kamdhenu or the cow directed the people from Gokarn to establish their deities. But in this, the idol of Lord Maruti, or the monkey god as we call him, or Lord Hanuman, did not become heavy. So they requested the Kamdhenu, the cow. He says, please, can you show us another spot? And it is said, it is written, that the cow led the way from here to a place called as Rishivan. Today we call this place Rivana. And the idol of Maruti or Lord Hanuman was established in that place. But the 3 idols of Ram, Lakshman and Sita are established here in this Partagal Mutt. Not the new one, but the old one. The old one is enshrined in between this huge colossal structure. So what you see behind me here is river Kushavati. Now ladies and gentlemen, one piece of advice. My Goem wants you all safe and sound. All my Goekar brothers and sisters, Bhav ani Boino, whenever you go with your families or with your friends to such beautiful rivers to spend an evening or a morning or a holiday, please take care. Everywhere there are signs which say to take care whilst bathing. We want you safe and sound. Goa is beautiful, but please do not blot this with any mishaps. And also I'm sure you love your family members. So let's be safe. The Kushavati for you.